A bullet is fired from a gun at 30 degrees to the horizontal. The bullet remains in flight for 25 seconds before touching the ground. That's the time of flight. Calculate the velocity of projection. I think this is quite easy. We are given the angle here to be 30 degrees. That's the angle of projection. And we are given the time of flight to be 25 seconds because it says the bullet remains in flight for 25 seconds before touching the ground. So that's the time it takes to cover, the whole distance. Very, very important. So in that case, I'm going to bring out the formula for time of flight. The formula for time of flight is simply 2u sine theta over g. Okay? I don't want you to mistake this with time taken to reach the maximum height. The time taken to reach the maximum height is simply u sine theta all over g. That's the formula for the time taken to reach the maximum height. But the time of flight, the total time of flight is 2 times that value. So that's why we have 2u sine theta over g. Okay? So, but in this question we are asked to find u. So let's substitute value. First of all, your t is 25 seconds. Then you have 2u. Your u is, that's what we are looking for. Then we have sine theta here is 30 degrees. Divided by acceleration due to gravity is 10. So if you cross multiply, you are going to have 250 is equal to 2u. Your u is, that's what we are looking for, times sine 30 is half, or 0.5. So this is going to be, this is 250 is equal to 0.5 times 2 is 1. So you just have to u. So I think that's the value for u. U is equal to 250 meters per second.